Honestly speaking, 10 out of 10. All the time, every time, all day, every day.
It's all about the CB Group, UA 5K, and Caribbean Passion Kids 5K.
Morning, everyone. Thank you.
Lego the bird. Hey, we're Lego the education. That's what we're doing here.
Wheelchair participants.
On this beautiful Sunday morning at the University of the West Indies Mona campus.
We saw hundreds and hundreds. I don't have the official numbers, but to see the turnout is overwhelming. From families, young people, older people, the students came out.
Year 13, how time flies when you're having fun. Absolutely amazing, making a difference and impacting lives in a positive way.
This is, one of the university's most significant annual events, and we have awarded over 350 scholarships. And the students are continually expressing their appreciation for the opportunities afforded them as a result of this event.
And this just means dozens more students. We'll be able to afford more scholarships, more students, give them that access, give them that platform. So I know everybody came out for the fun and the fitness, but really we're here for the youth and the education and empowering the next generation.
Without this event, these students would have been deregistered. They would have not been able to sit their exams. And they've really worked hard and overcome trials and tribulations to get here. And it's heartbreaking that, they would not be able to complete their studies.
And to help you achieve those goals, CB Group is here, UE is here, and it's always my pleasure to be a part of whatever it is that can break generational curses, encourage persons to actualize their dreams and become the best version of themselves.
This year was really wonderful. We have our kids signed up. We had our mascot, our little chickie, which they were very responsive to. And we saw them coming out, getting their sandwiches, feeling so proud of themselves to get their little medals, and they felt so accomplished. So we think that it has added to their motivation and to let them know that in everything in life, once they try their best, that we're here to support them as adults and we're here to lead them into the future doing good things.
When I see students who want to come to university but they don't have the first dollar to pay, when you see them go through their years and then when they cross the finish line and collect their degree and you see how proud they are, how good they feel, it makes it all worth it.
Well, anything that has to do with health, I'm always happy to be a part of it. I also love to compete and I love to give to charity. I'm always happy to be a part of it.
Something about putting your all into something, the noise dulls down, and eventually you don't hear anything else, you just have the road and you and just going.
This event is extra special because it is changing lives. And lots of people say, oh, we want a better Jamaica. But what are you doing to contribute to that ideology? And I come out here every year and give back so that persons can dream big, and that others can be inspired to do the same.
Some